Bhí mé suastar smíanamh níos luithe níor mise in é náit riamh meisce níos minicí ná náit seo. Agus leis sin go háil, agus tá an go sin fear dána go daine an seo seo. So tá sé tot sa mós, tá sé mothúch. So tá mé actually going to learn from blood like an Derek, because otherwise, you know, tá sé mé a goal. So bhfuil aon rud níos darfaí a gcéin duine gur chuirdom leabhar faoi. Aon multi, rud ag an darfach, ábhar darfach. Chula mé políocht vercha? Aon Americanic shit? Oh yeah, Jack! Sorry, yeah. Jack the Yankee brother. Stupid fucking question. Jack, Rochester, New York. Tá Gael chunamar ag Jack, so sé an tain dinna riamh ó Rochester a gléan Rochester! A balla dúchas. I'm a little out of Rochester. Jack, cén club pile in Imrie 2? Let a Gael come up in on Crackagun Jack McLean. So políocht vercha agus na Gaelóga. Siúma ahris de Donald Trump ag ginmh muir chúl ag cluiche na Gaelóga. So wide! So wide! They're training twice a week? I'm ready to hear it. Positive reference to Gaelic, no shit. Yeah, no, it's just there Trump. Near make Sul Gumach, Tonic Trace Tardu and Sarah Shoff. Near make Sul Gumach hate crime Jinta Air Trump. Oh, near Coolish for sure. Well, squeal Air Trump, Kara Urcher, Kurter, right? Vuller Orwane in a Lewis Dash. Now, hate crime if you shut the Mish Kinta because Nervy Misha Og Mar Yegor, Crooked Heart, Georgia Street Arcade. Dory Lumsa Goni Gerbe includes Dash includes Air. See where I'm going with this? So, Sheelan Gerkula didn't get an Trump show, right? I guess Dorchi Cruci Deer Harashki, Dorchi, Mr. President, I'm not sure how to say this, but 50% of ears are gay. No, I don't know, sir, I don't know. But I would love to shoot that thing off you, make you an all-American man again. So, inside job of Ian. Rud Ashton ta Georgian actually Wadley's fire na anchor tour here to later.